Hello my friends and welcome to this new practical tutorial. In this one we're going to train our machine learning model, the linear regression model. We have just built it in the previous tutorial by creating an instance of the linear regression class, and remember that I also told you that in a class you not only have the pre-coded model itself but also some actions that you can perform from your model, and one of those actions here is of course to train the model. And the method that performs this action is called the fit method. And that's exactly the method we're going to call here to train our model. All right, so let's do this. Let's create a new code cell. And so to train our model, it is actually super simple. You first call your instance of the class, which is our linear regression model. Then you're going to add a dot to call the method you want to use to train our model. And as we said, this method is called fit. So we should see it here. There you go. The first one, fit. And then you're going to add some parentheses. And according to you, what do we have to input here as parameters? Well, you perfectly understood that the model is trained on the training set. And remember that in part one, in data preprocessing, let's remove this text here, yeah. In data preprocessing, we, in the last step, created the training set and a test set, and the training set is actually split into two subsets, xtrain, which are the input or independent variables, and ytrain, which is the output or our dependent variable that we want to predict. And why did we have to return them this way, in 4 subsets? Well, that's because the fit method expects exactly the training set input and the training set output. In other words, it expects exactly x underscore train and y underscore train, right? It expects exactly the independent variables in the training set and the dependent variable in the training set. And that's it. That's all you need to do to train your model, thanks again to the beauty of classes. All right, so let's run the cell. Let's click the play button here to run the cell. And there we go. Congratulations. You have now a trained linear regression model. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. It was short but effective. And now that we have a trained model, we're going to proceed to the next step, which is also the fun part actually, because the inference is the part where we make some predictions. So we're going to first make our predictions on the test set, and I will also show you how to make a single prediction, based on a single observation. So let's do this in the next tutorial. I look forward to it. And until then, enjoy machine learning.